Hey guys, just thought I'd pop on here for a second, and sorry, I'm in a parking lot waiting on some DoorDash orders and Uber orders, so I thought I'd just take a second. I brought this with me because I've been meaning to make a video about this for like forever, but I just keep forgetting. I love subscription boxes. I really enjoy that surprise in the mail thing. So I used to subscribe to Ipsy, and I've subscribed to Sephora, which I really liked Sephora's. I subscribed to Birchbox, wasn't that impressed with Birchbox. Some people like it, some people don't. I did subscribe to a mini box of FabFitFun, but it was okay. It just was a little pricey for my taste, but anyway. But I decided, I saw on Facebook they had like a $3 trial for the Mighty Fix, which is reusable and sustainable products. So it was a trial for $3. The subscription is normally $11. So I decided to give it a go. And so just to let y'all know, this is what I got. So it's like Ziploc bags that are actually kind of made out of a cloth. Almost feels like a makeup bag to me. And then there's a smaller one, and you can use them for whatever you would normally put in Ziploc bags. You just don't throw them away, you wash them out and dry them out. So it came with these two, the small one and the larger one, and that was in my $3 subscription trial. So do I think it's worth the $3? Yeah, I do. I mean, you can wash these out and reuse them. I think it's pretty, the one that they sent me. Do I think it's worth $11? Depends on how you look at it. Yes, if you're going to go the sustainable way and you're going to be dedicated to washing these out and everything, yes, I think this is good for $11, because you would use a lot more than that in the long run for the Ziploc bags. Do I think that everybody should spend $11 for the subscription for just these two little bags? It's up to you. It's really a personal preference. I actually like it. I don't know if I would have been searching the box for more if I'd paid $11 for subscription, because this just seems like a bit less for $11. But I do think it's good for a trial subscription. I'll let you know if I'm going to continue with the subscription or not, but that's just an example of what you get in the Mighty Fix subscription box. So if you like this video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. If you want me to do more like this on subscription boxes, I can in the future. If you're not subscribed, please do so if you like this video, or if you have any suggestions for any other videos. So I'll see you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.